Tonight I'm going to show you my take on the viral one pan ditalini pasta, and I'm adding chicken to mine. First thing I'm going to do is get a really large skillet and add some oil to it to saute our chicken. I have two large chicken breasts that I cut in half and kind of pounded out. So I ended up with 4. So I seasoned it with salt, pepper, paprika, and Italian seasoning. And now I'm just going to saute these in the skillet until they're done. When your chicken's done, go ahead and remove it from the skillet into a separate bowl or plate. I'm going to add a little bit more butter and just a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to add some minced garlic to this. You want to make sure that you're scraping up all those bits from your chicken off the bottom of the skillet. This step is optional, but I'm going to add in some chopped asparagus into mine so that we can make it a one-pot meal. You don't have to do this, or you can add another vegetable, but I'm going to add some asparagus. So I'm going to put that in and saute it with the garlic. Now you want to add in your box of ditalini, I think I'm saying that right, pasta. And we're just going to stir this around and toast up the pasta just a little bit. Now I'm going to slowly add in 4 cups of chicken broth. And you want to make sure you're getting all that goodness off the bottom of your skillet. I'm going to bring this up to a boil. I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for maybe 10 minutes or so until your pasta is tender. It may not even take that long. This is my first time making it. So we'll just keep a check on it, but it shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. All right, this has been simmering for about 6 minutes. The first about 3 minutes, I put the lid on it to let it simmer so the noodles can cook, and then the remaining 3 minutes I've had the lid off so that the liquid can evaporate some while the noodles are cooking. Those noodles have almost soaked up all that liquid. We still got a little bit in there, so I'm going to cut my heat down just a little bit, and then I'm going to add in 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of heavy cream. And then we're going to continue to simmer this until the noodles soak up most of this liquid. Can you guys see that? So it's still got a little bit of cream sauce in it. It's got a little bit of sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off the heat. And I'm going to add in a little bit of butter. Maybe about 2 tablespoons. 2.5 to 3 tablespoons. And we're going to add in some parmesan. I'm going to add in some shredded. And I know some people don't like this, but I like the taste of the fake parmesan. So I'm going to add in a little bit of it too. Oop. Maybe a little bit more than a little bit. And then we're just going to keep stirring this until that cheese is all melted. I haven't added any salt or anything to this because the broth is salty, the seasonings on the chicken, had salt in it, and the cheese and the butter are salty. So now I'm going to go ahead and taste it and see if I need to add anything. That's good. It does need salt and pepper. And mine has soaked up my liquid, so I'm going to go ahead and add just a little splash more cream because I want mine to be just a little bit more creamy. All right, let's do another taste. That's what it needed. Perfect. All right, guys, so here is my plate. We've got that creamy, delicious pasta. We've got that chicken breast that we cooked and had sitting. And you see, this is my bowl I have the chicken in. See all those juices? I'm gonna take a spoon of that juice, and I'm gonna do that over my chicken like that. Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna top it with just a little bit more parm. And I like to add some fresh cracked pepper to it. And there we go, guys. I did not stop recording the whole time I was doing this video, the whole time I was cooking. You'll see the edited version of it. But when I started, I hit record and I didn't hit stop, and it's at 35 minutes and 40 seconds. That's how long it took me to do dinner tonight, start to finish. All right, so let's try it. Ooh, that's good. Yep. Get it with a little piece of chicken. This was a hit, and it was super easy. So see you guys next time.